Alright, so the new Akrapovic exhaust is on the MT09. Everything's bolted up and tight. Install took like an hour and it looks amazing. So I haven't started it up yet. So this will be the first startup. Abby's come by. Are you ready?
Yeah,
it's gonna be like
excited. Oh my
it's
God.
gonna be way louder than before. And I already took the silencer out. Count us down from three to go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's so much louder.
That is way loud.
I can't even hear you.
Oh my. Do a little.
You gotta let it warm up a bit. It's already hot out. Oh my god. You good? Yo guys, did not film an outro from yesterday's video when Abby and I went out on the bike. Yesterday was actually my birthday, so that's why I was in the garage kind of working here on my Yamaha MT09. If you haven't seen this yet, this is my bike. It's an absolute beast. I've ridden a few smaller bikes before this, a 250, a Yamaha R6, and this is by far my favorite of them all. And so I had to give it a little bit of a upgrade, change the full exhaust over to the Akrapovic full exhaust back. You can see the headers are already turning kind of gold and purple. Looks really nice, but just went out on my birthday. It was a really nice day out on the bike, kind of lost track of time, went out, had a lot of fun. Came back, didn't film an outro, so here I am, next day. Neighbors are definitely not going to be happy about this. So as I was editing yesterday's footage, I noticed that the Rode mic didn't really pick up the sound of the exhaust that well, so I'm going to try it now with just the on-camera microphone. Open up the garage. Kind of lost track of what day it is in terms of this like social distancing slash isolating thing, but it's been nice to get out on the bike every once in a while, just around the area, nowhere far. All of our parks and everything are closed, so there's no point in really going out anywhere that's farther. But it's starting to rain now, which is good and bad. The rain's good, it'll make everything green, but I wanted to kind of go out and ride. But yeah, I just wanted to film a little quick outro here because I realized I didn't film anything yesterday after we took off. We just rode off and it was a blast. It was so much fun being on the bike again, especially with Abby on the back. That's gotta be one of my favorite things to do, especially in the summer when it's like a late summer evening and it's like really warm out. You get the like air blowing against you as you're driving or riding. It's awesome. So I'll wrap it up here now. Hope that you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in my next video.